computers. So we're about to do some video stuff. So we're gonna talk about this. So are computers alive? Are computers alive? That's the number one. Can we perceive them? Can they perceive us? Do they have energy? And can they create things other than what we tell them? So that's a very interesting idea. So we're gonna start with the are computers alive? That's like the main question, and then we're gonna talk about perception. We're gonna talk about can they perceive us, and we're talking about do they have energy? I'll explain what that means, and then we're gonna talk about can they create things other than what we code them. So computers can perceive, question mark? Probably not, you might say, but the idea of perception is very abstract in a way. So computers can interact with us through a code, and for example, a bot can go through social media and interact with us, and it can even follow us, and that creates a feeling in our minds, we're oh, someone followed us. So in much the same way, the bots interact with us the way that a friend would, and we can reject them and we can accept them as a friend. So they have to have an input output. So in a way, they do perceive us. And also, can they perceive us? Maybe, maybe not. Bots can perceive. Well, I just did that, but we can perceive them. But I think I sort of answered that. Do they have energy? So can they produce something and have energy other than the code that's already in the system? Interesting question. Can they create things? Now, create is a very interesting word because you can create a game through a code. You can do a lot of things. But to create something other than what it's coded for, that's an interesting idea. That's the whole point of artificial intelligence, but it still needs a prompt. So the idea of creating something, is it creating something without a stimulus from a human or creating something without other stimulus? That's an interesting thing that we're trying to think about. So yeah, that's my take of the day. We outie, we good.